Okay.
So you have a probation violation here of aggravated assault causing serious bodily injury. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer?
No.
Would you like to provide you with the lawyer?
Yes.
Yes. You want the state to provide you with the lawyer?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, there's no bond set in this case. You have to go back before the judge who has jurisdiction over your case to get your bond set. Now, do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Diaz, you have 4 felony charges here. You have an aggravated robbery, unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, possession of a controlled substance over 1 gram but under 4, and unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with the lawyer?
As of right now, the state can provide me with the lawyer. I've requested the same lawyer that I had last time I was in Potter County.
Okay. Are you presently on parole or probation?
Yes, sir. I'm on probation.
What are you on probation for, sir?
Burglary of a habitat.
Okay. How many years do you have remaining on probation?
I have 2 years out of 3 remaining.
Okay. Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Diaz, do you have any college behind you?
Some colleges, sir.
Okay, are you gainfully employed?
Yes, sir.
What do you do?
I work
How long have you lived in Amarillo?
28 years, my whole life.
All my life. Nothing further, Your Honor. We'd ask for a much reasonable bond that the DA is requesting, particularly on the unlawful possession and the possession of controlled substance. Thank you.
On this aggravated robbery, sir, your bond is set at $20,000. Unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, that bond is set at $10,000. On your possession of a controlled substance 3rd-degree felony, that bond is set at $5,000. And on your unauthorized use of a vehicle, that bond is set at $3,500. Now, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Thank you.
What's the total?
Let's see.
I'm okay. How you doing? You doing good?
Doing fine. How are you? Good.
Ma'am, you have a charge here of forgery 3rd-degree felony. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
I would like to say thank you so much for a decade in the roof
Okay.
back control.
Do you want an attorney?
Counselor, were you able to speak to the defendant there?
No, Your Honor, you can get a chance. May I do so now?
Yeah, and while you're talking with her, inquire about a mental health assessment in terms of she's had one in the past.
Okay. Have you had a mental health assessment recently?
I had, but I want to go home to the description. But I would, meanwhile, last post office, medication delivery. We got to deliver medication now. I have to address to the clinic, the day-wide appointment. Thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Your Honor, we did. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Okay. On this case, ma'am, I'm going to go ahead and set your bond at $2,000. Now, do you have any questions for me?
You'll need about $200 to bond out.
$200
To bond out, yes.
to go home?
Yes.
Oh, okay. $200. Yes, I do have a card. I will pay 100 upfront in my bank card. 100 taken yesterday.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome. 100 is yesterday.
Sir, you have a 3rd-degree felony, failure to comply as a sex offender's duty to register life/annually. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with the lawyer?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, are you presently on parole or probation?
Yes. Probation.
What are you on probation for, sir?
what I just you just said for the child check with minor.
Counselor,
And
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Enriquez, you graduated from high school, didn't you?
yes, sir.
Which one?
Hereford High School.
Okay. Are you gainfully employed?
No.
No. I thought you were.
Oh, yes. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is the offender on probation for what you have to register for?
Yes.
Do you have any other criminal history?
No, sir.
Nothing. We ask for a more reasonable bond than the DA is asking for, Your Honor.
on this case, your bond is set at $5,000. Do you have any questions for me?
What's that? So what? How much is that to bail? So I can bail out?
You need about 500.
500 to bail out?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Martin, you have a failure to comply as a sex offender's duty to register life/annually. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with the lawyer?
I'm needing an attorney.
Okay. Sir, you presently on parole or probation?
I'm on probation, sir.
Okay. What are you on probation for?
The same offense.
Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Martin, that probation, that's deferred adjudication, right?
Yes, sir.
So you don't have a conviction for that,
Right.
and you don't have any other convictions?
No, sir.
Nothing. Okay. Are you gainfully employed?
Yes, sir. I'm employed.
What do you do?
I work at Amigos. I work over in the deli.
Okay.
Work with food pretty much.
Did you get your GED?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you're married?
Yes, sir.
And how long have you been married?
I've been married for 10 years.
Okay. Your Honor, we'd ask, are you asking the judge for a personal bond?
Please.
We ask for either a personal bond or a lower bond than the DA is asking for, Your Honor. With someone with no convictions, this seems a bit high.
On this case here, sir, your bond is set at $5,000. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
You need about 500 for bonding.
So you have a possession of a controlled substance over 1 gram but under 4, third-degree felony. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
Provide me with a lawyer.
Sir, are you presently on parole or probation?
Parole. Well, I discharged on parole.
You have any other pending cases, sir?
You what, sir?
You have any other pending cases?
No, sir. No, sir.
Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. DelaFuente, are you a high school graduate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any conviction that's violent or sexual,
No, sir.
or just drug stuff?
Sir.
We'd ask for a much lower bond than the DA is asking for, Your Honor. For somebody with no violence, no sexual crimes, it seems
Okay.
high.
On this case, sir, your bond is set at $3,500. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we concur with the county attorney. There's no probable cause on the DWI.
So you have 2 charges here. You have a collision involving injury, as well as a driving while intoxicated. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
State.
The state?
Are you presently on parole or probation?
No, sir.
Any other pending cases?
No, sir.
Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Garza, are you gainfully employed?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
I work at McDonald's.
Okay. And you're also attending AC, right?
Yes, sir. Emerald College.
Okay. What are you majoring in?
I'm majoring in game design, where I'm learning how to make video games and code computers.
Interesting. Do you live with your family? Okay. Do you have any criminal record at all?
No, sir.
And how long you lived in Emerald?
I've lived in Emerald 90% of my life. I've only been out of the town for about 1 year of my life.
Your Honor, we'd ask for a reasonable bond.
Yeah, on this collision involving injury, that bond is set at $7,500. On this driving while intoxicated, there's no probable cause in that arrest, sir. So you will not be charged with this DWI at this particular time. Now, it doesn't mean that the case is dismissed. The county attorney could decide to pursue this charge at a later date.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, they'll issue a warrant out for your arrest. Now, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Thank you.
You'll need about 700 to get the door.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Williams, you have a sex offender's duty to register with previous convictions. Now, sir, you need to stand up, sir.
Williams.
Now, can you afford a lawyer? Would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
State of Revival one.
Are you presently on parole or probation, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I didn't hear you.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Any other pending cases?
No, sir.
Okay. Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Williams, are you homeless?
Yes, I am.
You went to Tascosa, though, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And how long have you lived in Amarillo?
All my life.
Have you been diagnosed mentally ill?
Yes, I am.
What have you been diagnosed with?
Bipolar, depressive disorder.
Okay. See, how long, when were you diagnosed with this?
2017.
So it's been a while.
Yes.
Okay. We asked for a reasonable bond at 1622, Your Honor.
Sir, on this case, your bond is set at $3,500. And let's get back to this,
What I was saying?
$3,500. Now,
Oh.
sir, on this mental health assessment, who did you have that assessment with? Was it Texas Panhandle Center or?
Yes, sir. Yes, I did.
So you were assessed there.
Yes, sir.
When was the last time you received services there?
Due to the fact that I was supposed to be breathing, but I had a meth problem. I was smoking meth and stuff like that, so I was really messed up in the head.
Uh-huh.
And
So when was the
last?
last time you saw a psychiatrist or a TPC official?
About 3 weeks ago when I was out there.
About 3 weeks ago?
No, I was out there.
Okay, what happened with that? Did they prescribe medication for
Yes,
you? Or-
they put me on they put me on Wellbrutin and I forgot the other one. Wellbrutin, Teptal, I think.
Okay. Well, I'm going to order, sir, is that you continue your services with TPC. Now, you're to take your meds as directed.
Yes, I
Okay.
will.
Now, that's part of the conditions of your bond. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
You'll
Thank you.
need about $350 to walk out. This question.
So you have a bond surrender, evading arrest, detention with previous conviction, state jail felony. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
State provided.
So there's no bond set in this case. You're going to have to go back before the judge who has jurisdiction over your case to get your bond set. Now, do you have any questions for me?
No.
Thank you. Mr. Lynn, you have a charge of assault causing bodily injury of a family member, class 8 misdemeanor. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with a lawyer?
Like the state to please provide me with a lawyer.
Sir, are you presently on parole or probation?
No, sir.
You have any other pending cases?
No, sir.
Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Lynn, how long have you lived in Amarillo?
Since 1981.
Are you on disability
Yes.
and food stamps?
Yes.
So you can't afford much of a bond.
No.
Did you get your GED?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any recent criminal history?
No.
And total criminal history, do you have anything violent or sexual?
No.
One condition of your bond is likely to be you don't have any contact with whoever brought this case against you for probably 2 months, maybe more. And can you promise the judge you won't try to contact the person?
Yeah.
Nothing further, Your Honor. We'd ask for a reasonable bond.
In this case, sir, your bond is set at $3,500. Now, there's a victim in this case, sir. She's the victim in this case, so therefore she's entitled to some protections. So you'd have no direct or indirect communication or contact with the victim. Also, you cannot go within 200 yards of any residence, school, or place of employment of the victim. Also, there's an emergency order of protection, and this emergency order of protection will remain in full force in effect until September 24th, 2025. So you need to take the time to read the terms and conditions of this protective order. Make sure you fully understand it before you sign it. If there's any questions, direct those questions to the staff there at the detention center. Also, you cannot possess a firearm or any ammunition. Any questions for me, sir?
No, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How you doing, ma'am? You have a driving while intoxicated open container Class B misdemeanor. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer? Or would you like the state to provide you with the lawyer?
A state, please.
Are you presently on parole or probation?
No,
You have any other pending cases?
no.
Can you tell me a little bit about your criminal history, any prior misdemeanors or felonies?
I had one felony when I was 18 and I was it.
Okay. Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. First off, we noticed there's no probable cause. In the P3, there was, I can't see an open container. So we noticed there's no probable cause for this arrest. Ma'am, are you gainfully employed?
Yes,
Okay. Do you live with family?
I live with my fiance.
Okay. Have you had any college?
Yeah, some college.
Where?
University of Phoenix.
Okay. One condition of your bond is likely to be that you don't have any alcohol until this case is resolved. Can you promise the judge you won't drink any?
Yes, I can.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Yes, personal bond.
In this case, ma'am, your bond is set at $2,000. Do you have any questions for me?
No,
Now, there are some conditions on your bond. No entry into any bars, clubs, or cocktail lounges, no consumption of alcohol, and you have a daily curfew from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Any questions regarding those conditions, ma'am?
I normally don't get off work until 10:30 at night.
Okay. It doesn't preclude you from working, ma'am. Now,
Okay,
so once you're off, then that curfew will kick into place, ma'am.
okay,
Thank you.
You need about 2 information.
okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So you have two charges. These are two warrants out of Randall County.
Yes, sir.
To proceed burglary of a habitation, as well as a motion to proceed driving while intoxicated, your third or more. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer? Or would you like the state to provide you with the lawyer?
Provide me with the lawyer.
On these two cases, sir, on your motion to proceed burglary of a habitation out of Randall County, that bond is set at $25,000. Now, on your motion to proceed driving while intoxicated, your third or more, there's no bond set in that case. Now, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, you have a smuggling of a person, which is a warrant out of Kennedy County. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with the lawyer?
Oh, but that one provided.
Okay. On this case, sir, your bond is set at $10,000. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Correa, you have two warrants out of Moore County. You have a probation violation for driving while intoxicated, as well as resisting arrest. And these warrants out of Moore County. Now, before I proceed, do you plan on hiring a lawyer, or would you like the state to provide you with the lawyer?
State to provide a lawyer.
In these two cases, sir, your bond is set at $10,000 each warrant. Any questions for me?